Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Restart your computer once, and after the system restart you can install the update and then check. Still not working? You can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or KB5082427. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website search for the update and then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. So for me it's version 25H2. Check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. Now this is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on update, that is KB5089573, and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually. Just once the download is complete, click on it and just follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually, restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Next step is to reset Windows Update Confidence. Copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Copy it. Now open Notepad on your computer, paste all the command in Notepad, go to file, save as. You can save it to desktop. Name this file as Wufix.bat. Save. Now you can go to desktop. Here you can see Wufix.bat file. Make a right click. Make sure you run this file as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services. If you receive this prompt, do you want to continue this operation? Type in Y for yes, hit the enter key. So it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are multiple scans, so the scan process will take some time, and once the scan is complete, it will start all the Windows Update services once again, and once this is done, it will close automatically, or once this process is complete, now restart your PC, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will again take some time, and once this is done, restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.